Good afternoon, Christina from Sharp Automotive in Watertown, South Dakota. Just bringing you a quick feature video here of one of our Toyota Highlanders. This one in particular is our silver 2021 XLE. Only 19,700 miles on it. Can you believe that? It's almost new, less than 20,000 miles. Look at those sporty rims. Beautiful silver color here. Come around to the back. Show you the cargo space. Power lift gate. This is also controlled from the key fob as well. Seats fold down. Both the third row and the second row fold flat for your convenience. There's for your groceries, and like I said, they all fold flat for that trip to Menards. Come around, take a look at the second row. Got the nice sporty two-tone interior, gray and black. Leather seats, WeatherTech mats all the way through. There's your cup holders. Heated seats in both the front and the captain's chairs in the second row. Easy access to the third row going in, or if need be, we can fold them flat. There you go, just like that. Go around to the front. Just a very sporty looking vehicle with the tinted windows, leather seats up front as well, power seats, power windows, power locks, power lift gate. Step inside here, show you the dash. Very nice, easy to read touch screen here. You've got navigation, Bluetooth, hands-free, rear camera. There you go. Nice deep cup holders, drive mode options, USB ports, nice trim, moonroof. I love the dash. Here you've got your seatbelt status, the tattle on those who don't like to buckle their seatbelt. Also on here, it has speed limit signs. You've got lane assist. You've got radar controlled cruise assist, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls for the phone and for the radio. You've got everything here. It glides down the road like a dream. Give me a call, 605-233-1010. I'm Christina at Sharp Automotive. I'd love to earn your business. Thanks for watching.